HPTURBO retrofitted a variable geometry turbo to the RD28, giving the heavy patrol the torque it needs. I was seriously impressed by the craftsmanship that went into my custom VNT turbo. The technicians at HPTURBO take a precise and professional approach to their every build, and it shows in the final result. We chose a VNT turbo to get the best of both worlds. Fast spool at low RPM without sacrificing power in the upper rev range. Can't wait to put some kilometers on the car and really feel the difference.